Hi, this is Tapas Fleming, TATlife.com. I'm excited to tell you something I haven't told anyone, because it just happened this morning while I was doing TAT in bed before I got up. So I was thinking about the twins I had who died and just feeling kind of like I just wanted to be more in contact with them. So when I did the pose, I just had the thought, I am in complete contact with you. And it just it was like this bell, kind of this resonating bell inside me went off, and I felt the presence of those beings with me. And I thought, oh man, I could do this about my big brother. He died a long time ago too. So I just did that same thing. I am in complete connection with you. That was the word I used, was connection. And I just felt his presence. And it was so great to feel those people and to feel my connection and love with them. So I thought that's something you could try for yourself. The person can be living too. They don't have to have died, just someone you want to be in better connection with. So there you go. Give that a try. See you next time.